Welcome to a journey where artificial intelligence meets opportunity. In this video, I am revealing the 10 most profitable YouTube niches that can make you rich without ever showing your face. These are the hidden gold mines of AI content creation that smart creators are using to earn thousands passively. Stay till the end and see how you can start today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable AI income insights. 1. The AI Tech Review Channel. Artificial intelligence tools are exploding in popularity, and users everywhere search for honest reviews before trying them. This gives you a golden opportunity to build a faceless YouTube channel reviewing trending AI software, apps, and platforms. Use AI-generated voiceovers and simple screen recordings to demonstrate each tool's features, pricing, and real-world benefits. Consistency, transparency, and clear demonstrations will help your videos rank higher on YouTube search results. The beauty of this niche is that new AI tools launch daily, meaning there's an endless flow of content ideas. Every review you upload can also earn affiliate commissions when you include special sign-up links in your description. Over time, your channel becomes both a trusted source of AI knowledge and a steady source of income. Focus on tutorials, comparisons, and unbiased reviews to build credibility and viewer loyalty. Add natural calls to action, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI discoveries. Click the link in the description below to get started today. 2. AI Productivity Hacks Channel. The world constantly searches for ways to save time and increase efficiency, and AI is the ultimate solution. You can build a faceless YouTube channel dedicated to teaching viewers how AI simplifies everyday tasks, from scheduling and writing emails to organizing projects. Use screen recordings and voiceovers to demonstrate step-by-step automation hacks anyone can use. This niche never fades because productivity is a universal goal across every profession. You can also earn through sponsorships or affiliate links by promoting AI tools that genuinely save time. Make your videos practical, showing real-world results instead of just theory. People stay engaged when they see immediate value and solutions they can apply. Focus on clarity, clean visuals, and consistent posting. With AI's help, you can automate your content creation too, making uploads easier and faster. Remind viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI productivity secrets. Click the link in the description below to start your productivity channel today. 3. AI Animation and Storytelling Channel. AI-generated animation is one of YouTube's most exciting and visually appealing frontiers. With platforms like Pika Labs and Runway ML, you can bring original stories to life without hiring animators or actors. Create faceless animated shorts, explainer videos, or motivational stories entirely produced through AI. These videos capture massive engagement because audiences are drawn to creativity and novelty. Focus on emotional storytelling. Make your animations relatable, inspiring, or entertaining, so viewers stay until the end. You can monetize through ads, merchandise, or sponsorships, all while keeping your identity hidden. The visual uniqueness of AI storytelling ensures your content stands out in crowded niches. Over time, consistent uploads build a strong following and reliable income stream. Add a call to action during each video, inviting viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI storytelling creations. Click the link in the description below to start producing your first AI animated story today. 4. AI Business Tutorials channel. Entrepreneurs are actively searching for ways to use AI to grow and streamline their businesses, and that's where your channel comes in. This niche focuses on showing business owners how to integrate AI for marketing, customer support, design, and operations. Each tutorial can highlight a specific business challenge and demonstrate how AI solves it efficiently. Step-by-step instructions and case studies make your content actionable and valuable. Since business audiences appreciate results, offering practical, data-driven examples will establish your authority quickly. This niche also opens doors for sponsorships, affiliate earnings, and paid consulting opportunities. AI-powered visuals and voiceovers make production simple while maintaining professional polish. Consistency and clarity turn your tutorials into a resource entrepreneurs rely on. Add clear calls to action, reminding viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more business growth insights. Click the link in the description below to get started building your AI business education channel today. 5. AI Finance and Investing Channel. Money and technology together form one of the most profitable YouTube niches. You can build a channel explaining how AI tools are reshaping finance, from automating budgeting and analyzing stocks to predicting market trends. Use screen captures and voiceovers to simplify complex financial concepts so that both beginners and seasoned investors can understand them. This niche has massive potential because viewers are eager to learn how AI can help them grow their wealth. By reviewing AI-powered trading bots or budgeting apps, you can earn affiliate income from financial software companies. Combine tutorials, comparisons, and strategy breakdowns to deliver consistent value that builds authority. Keep your tone trustworthy and informative. People invest their attention where they feel confident. With AI, you can also automate data analysis and generate content faster. Encourage your audience to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI finance strategies. Click the link in the description below to get started today. 6. AI Gaming Channel. AI in gaming is revolutionizing how players design, compete, and experience new worlds. You can create a faceless YouTube channel focused on AI-generated games, AI opponents, and new gameplay mechanics powered by machine learning. Record gameplay footage, share reactions, and discuss how AI is changing the future of gaming. This niche attracts passionate audiences because gamers are always excited about innovation. You can also review tools that help players create or enhance their own games using AI. Monetization opportunities include affiliate links for gaming software, sponsorships, and ad revenue. Keep your videos fun, visually dynamic, and fast-paced to match gamer energy. By covering both entertainment and education, you'll build a loyal following that eagerly awaits every upload. Add calls to action for viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI gaming insights. Click the link in the description below to start creating AI-powered gaming content today. 7. AI Music Creation Channel. AI is transforming how music is created, remixed, and shared, and you can turn that movement into your YouTube niche. Build a faceless channel exploring AI music generators, composition tools, and remix technologies. Showcase original AI-made songs, tutorials, and creative experiments that captivate audiences. This niche allows endless innovation because the possibilities of AI-generated music grow daily. You can monetize through ads, partnerships, and collaborations with music software developers. Use each video to highlight how anyone can compose or remix music using accessible AI tools. Keep your content engaging by mixing entertainment with education. Explain how AI is redefining creativity in the music industry. Authenticity and originality will keep your audience coming back for more. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI music tutorials. Click the link in the description below to begin your AI music creation journey today. 8. AI Art and Design Channel. AI art is transforming the creative world, captivating millions across the internet by merging imagination and technology in ways once thought impossible. You can build a thriving YouTube channel showcasing breathtaking AI-generated artworks made through platforms like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E. Create immersive time-lapse videos showing how simple prompts evolve into stunning digital masterpieces, or offer tutorials that teach viewers how to craft their own AI art. You can even host weekly creative challenges that inspire both artists and tech enthusiasts to explore this futuristic art form. The beauty of this niche lies in its diversity. It attracts painters, designers, storytellers, and innovators, all eager to witness how AI expands human creativity. Monetization opportunities are endless, from selling art prints and NFTs to partnering with digital design platforms. Keep your visuals rich, your narration motivating, and your message clear. AI doesn't replace artists, it amplifies them. Consistent uploads will grow your community and establish your authority as a visionary creator. Remind viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI art insights. Click the link in the description to start your AI art and design channel today. 9. AI Writing and Copy Channel. AI is revolutionizing how content is written, from blog posts to ad copy and video scripts. You can build a faceless channel dedicated to teaching creators how to use AI for writing faster, smarter, and better. Each video can showcase tools like chatgpt, Jasper, or WriteSonic in action, helping viewers automate content creation and boost productivity. This niche has strong affiliate potential because writing platforms pay well for referrals. Show real examples of before and after content transformations to prove AI's power. Provide step-by-step tutorials, writing challenges, and tips to build engagement. Audiences appreciate transparency and practical advice they can apply immediately. As you post consistently, you'll establish authority in the growing world of AI writing. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI writing guides. Click the link in the description below to start your AI writing channel today. 10. AI Motivation and Education Channel. AI can turn powerful ideas into visually stunning motivational and educational videos. With AI voiceovers, visuals, and scripting, you can inspire millions while staying completely faceless. Focus on topics like success, mindset, and financial freedom, themes that never lose demand. Combine cinematic visuals with motivational quotes and short life lessons that resonate emotionally. These types of videos perform extremely well because they connect deeply with human aspirations. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and brand collaborations. Keep your uploads consistent and your tone inspiring. Use AI automation to batch produce multiple videos without losing quality. Encourage your audience to share their goals in the comments, building a loyal and positive community. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe for more motivational AI-powered content. Click the link in the description below to start your journey into AI-driven motivation and education today. Thanks for watching this video until the end. You now know 10 powerful AI YouTube niches that can help you grow fast and make money without ever showing your face. Choose the one that fits your skills and start building today. Remember, action creates results. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful AI income strategies. Click the link in the description below to get started.